Yo, ever dream of telling your boss to kick rocks all while making bank from your couch? Imagine not having to deal with the daily grind, the commute, the office politics. Well, I ain't talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. This ain't no fairy tale or pipe dream. I'm talking about Opinion Outpost, the real MVP of paid surveys. It's legit, it's reliable, and it's been changing lives. Forget ramen noodles, we talking steak dinners, my friends. Imagine upgrading your lifestyle, treating yourself to the finer things in life. With a little hustle and my killer tips, you'll be swimming in that sweet, sweet Opinion Outpost cash. It's all about working smart, not hard. $300 a day? That's right, 3 Benjamins every single day. Yeah, that's the goal, fam. It's not just a dream, it's a plan, a strategy. Stick with me and let's unlock that financial freedom. Together, we'll navigate the world of paid surveys and make it rain. So, are you ready to change your life? Let's get started and make those dreams a reality. Alright, so what's the deal with Opinion Outpost? It's simple, man. Companies want your opinion and they're willing to pay for it. Sign up, answer some questions, and bam, you're getting paid. No catch, no BS. They got surveys on everything from cars to video games, so you know there's something you can vibe with. It's like kicking it with your buddies, except you're getting paid for your thoughts. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now here's the secret sauce. You might think it's all about luck, but there's a method to the madness. You gotta be strategic, my friend. It's not just about filling out surveys, it's about doing it smartly. Treat this like a game, and those surveys are your path to victory. Think of each survey as a level you need to conquer. First off, consistency is key. Just like in any game, regular practice makes perfect. Log in every day, knock out those surveys, and watch those points rack up. It's like building a daily habit that pays off. Speed is your friend too. The quicker you are, the more you can accomplish. The faster you finish a survey, the quicker you can move on to the next one. Time management is crucial here. And don't be afraid to speak your mind. Your unique perspective is valuable. Companies want honest opinions, so keep it real, and those higher-paying surveys will come knocking. Authenticity is what they're after, and it can set you apart from the rest. Remember, it's not just about quantity, but quality too. Take your time to provide thoughtful responses. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of surveys. Happy earning! Section 4. Level up, unlocking those high-roller surveys. Speaking of high-paying surveys, there are ways to unlock those bad boys. Fill out your profile completely, bruh. The more they know about you, the more likely they are to send you surveys that fit your lifestyle. And don't sleep on those profile qualifiers. They tell Opinion Outpost what kind of consumer you are, which means more targeted surveys and more opportunities to cash in. Section 5. My Opinion Outpost come up. Yo, I remember when I first started with Opinion Outpost, I was skeptical, man. But then I got my first payout, and it was like a weight lifted off my shoulders. Suddenly, I could afford that new game console I had my eye on. And the best part? I earned it by chilling on my couch, sharing my thoughts. It's the easiest side hustle I've ever had, and trust me, I've tried them all. Section 6. Take control, stack your dough. Look, times are tough, but you don't gotta be stuck in a rut. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but remember, you have the power to change your situation. With Opinion Outpost, you got the power to take control of your finances and start living the life you deserve. Imagine turning your spare time into a money-making opportunity. $300 a day might seem like a dream, but trust me, it's within reach. It's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and peace of mind that comes with financial stability. All you gotta do is put in the work, follow my tips, and watch those dollars roll in. Consistency is key, and with dedication you'll see results. So what are you waiting for? The time to act is now. Don't let another day go by without taking steps towards your financial freedom. Sign up for Opinion Outpost today, and let's get this bread. Your future self will thank you for the steps you take today. Let's make it happen together.